How to change skins in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the skins of different heroes. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now here we are in this profile settings. Here you'll be able to see different option about your profile. Here you'll be even able to see the histories and your name. Now here on the right bottom, simply tap on this icon. So on the left, tap on skins, and here you'll be able to equip different skins available. In my case, I have only one skin. Now simply select the skin that you want to equip in the game and tap on save. So the skin has been saved. Now if you go back, the same skin will be displayed in the game too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.